Road traffic noise is a serious and widespread threat to public health. Public authorities currently have to cover the cost of sound insulation, noise barriers, or health services. But one of the most effective and low-cost ways to reduce traffic noise is to fit cars with quieter tyres. In Europe, car tyres must meet noise emissions standards in a type approval test before release onto the market. RDW, the type approval authority in the Netherlands, has a specialised test track for tyre noise measurement. A car is fitted with the tyres to be tested and approaches the test track. Alongside the track, microphones are set up to pick up the noise emitted by the tyres when the car passes over a standardised stretch of asphalt. The test is controlled and recorded from a measurement booth. The technician inside the booth monitors the incoming data and the speed at which the vehicle passes between the microphones. The instruments register the peak noise level, that is, the maximum noise level when the car passes between the microphones. As engine noise would interfere with the tyre noise measurement, the driver cuts the engine before passing between the microphones and coasts past the microphones. When the car has passed through, the driver restarts the engine out of range of the microphones. For each tyre, the measurement is repeated 8 times over to ensure accurate and consistent results. 2 tyre models are tested, one standard and one noise-reducing or quieter tyre. Noise emission from the standard tyre was measured at 74.5 decibel in the official type approval test. The standard tyre is fitted on the light grey car. The driver and technician keep in contact to ensure that the car passes the microphones at 80 km per hour. The driver swings into the test track and cuts the engine to ensure that only tyre noise is picked up by the microphones. In this test, the standard tyre is measured at 74.7 decibel. The negligible variation of 0.2 decibel shows the high level of reliability between tests. Next is a quieter tyre. The official type approval test registered 68.3 decibel, more than 5 decibel quieter than the standard tyre. These quieter tyres are fitted on the dark grey car. The decibel scale is logarithmic, which means that a 3 decibel reduction actually cuts the sound level by half. A 5 decibel reduction represents 2/3 reduction in sound. As with the standard reference tyre, the type approval test result and this test measurement match very well. The difference between the standard tyre and the quieter tyre in this test is well over 5 decibel. This impressive reduction in sound level means that the tyres on the dark grey car produce only 1/3 of the noise from the standard tyres on the light grey car. Or to put it another way, one car with standard tyres emits the same level of noise as 3 cars fitted with quieter tyres. To demonstrate this, the technician switches the instruments to a different setting and monitors a different value of the meter. Now we can compare one car passing by to 3 cars passing by. First, the standard tyre model is tested again and the pass-by noise is recalculated as if it was all emitted in 1 second. The result for the standard tyre using this method is 74.8 decibel. Next, the 3 dark grey cars are fitted with different models of quieter tyres. According to the official EU test results, they're all at least 5 decibel quieter than the standard tyre. They pass between the microphones as closely together as is safe on the track. The noise from the tyres on these 3 cars is all recalculated into 1 second. The result is 74.5 decibel for the 3 vehicles together. By comparison, the car with the standard tyres measured 74.8 decibel. So we can see that on the road, 3 cars equipped with quieter tyres emit approximately the same noise level as one car with a set of standard tyres. A common question is whether quiet tyres are as safe as standard tyres. Track tests and on-the-road results show that quieter tyres can be designed and produced without compromising safety performance. To demonstrate, Wet braking tests are carried out on all 4 tyre models subjected to the noise tests earlier. First, the model is tested which was found to have the longest wet braking distance amongst the 4 in the European Type Approval Test. This is one of the quieter models, and we'd expect the others to have a shorter braking distance. Next up is the noisier standard tyre. In the official European test, all 4 tyre models are at least 20% within the minimum requirements, which means that regardless of their differences, they're all very safe tyres. Contrary to assumptions, the standard tyre has a slightly longer wet braking distance. The cones are reset to the performance of the standard tyre to see whether the quiet tyres can measure up. And the test is rerun with the first set of quieter tyres to make sure the first safety test was reliable. These quiet tyres perform well again, and the result is marked with cones. Next up are another 2 quieter tyre models. All of the quieter models perform even better than the standard tyre in the wet grip test. This demonstration shows that there's no trade-off or correlation between the noise and safety performance of tyres. Quieter tyres can be just as safe as, or even safer than, standard tyres. Tyres that are 5 decibels quieter are already available. It's easy and cost-effective to fit quieter tyres the next time they need replacing. Doing so, road noise can be cut down by 2/3, which would sound like taking 7 out of 10 cars off the road. Imagine how easy it would be to make a huge difference to the lives of at least 210 million Europeans who are at risk from road traffic noise. Quieter tyres offer a major, fast and cost-effective opportunity to protect their health and improve their quality of life.